Come in. Well, 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 look who's here. I haven't seen you in many a year.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva. As you can see, and I'm going to move it a little closer to me, many people have seen this in my videos and have asked me about it and asked me what it was. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and explain it to you. I'm calling this my all occasion or my every holiday centerpiece. Now, I made this and it was so easy to make, and I change it for all the holidays. This happens to be, and I like the shape. This is a glass, I guess you can say like a compote, has a little pedestal. I was able to pick it up in Home Goods, and I had the 40% off coupon, so I think with the discount and all, I'm not sure, it might have come to, don't hold me to this, somewhere around maybe $15. They had them smaller, they had them less expensive, and they had them more expensive, but this was just the shape I wanted. And what I did is, for Christmas, and I display this on my island, what I did is I bought the Christmas M&Ms, and I put them on the bottom, and then next I put in mini marshmallows because they're supposed to be little snowballs. And then in the dollar store, I found these little round chocolate balls. And then, of course, you know, every season, Peeps comes out with something new. So I've got the Peeps on sale, and I alternated the snowmen, the Christmas trees, and the gingerbread boys. And then on the top, I loaded it up from the dollar store with the little peppermints. And they're the same peppermints that I used when I did the video and we made our peppermint dish. So I just love this thing for Halloween and Thanksgiving. And if I can find my picture, I'll insert it in the video. For Halloween and Thanksgiving, I made one. And I put corn, popping corn on the bottom. I'm trying to remember what else I put in there. I think I put the Halloween Peeps. I think I had ghosts and pumpkins in there. And I had a black licorice. I think I did a row of black licorice to break it up. I can't remember what else, but it was so cool. It just looked so fall-like. And I had that on my island. And once the holidays are over, and it gets closer to February, I will empty this out, and I plan on making it for Valentine's Day. You know, they have the heart-shaped Peeps for Valentine's Day, and you always can find that pink candy corn and the little conversation hearts, and I thought that would be adorable. So for those of you who had asked, this is what it is. I love it. You can make one yourself in no time at all. If you don't want to spend a lot, head over to Dollar Tree and you can pick up these candies very inexpensively. And do I waste everything when I empty it out? No. I put everything in little Ziploc bags and I put it away in a basket I have. And with a cameraman and 4 grandsons, do you think any of these things go to waste? No. So anyway, I guess I'm going to call this my every holiday or my all occasion centerpiece. So I wanted to show you that, give you a little idea. You can make it a little fancier if you want. You can tie a little ribbon around it or whatever, but this is good enough for me. Oh, also, I'm having a little drink out of my coffee mug I designed. You all know, I just couldn't find a coffee mug that said Baking Diva. They all said Baking Queen. So I designed my own. I put a little cupcake on it, big sexy red lips, eyelashes, and a crown on the cupcake's head. And on the back it says, "Don't leave home without your crown." If you're interested in the mug, I have a link down below in the description box of my video how you can order these. The mugs are like $12, and I think there's a minimal shipping fee. So that's it. Give one of these centerpieces a try. You can make them, like I said, smaller, and they look adorable anywhere. I tried it on my dining room table and it looked really nice there, but I had something else for the dining room, so I decided to leave this in the kitchen on the island. So anyway, just another do-it-yourself idea for you. If you haven't already gone down below and you're not a subscriber of mine, I would appreciate it if you would smash that red subscriber and subscribe. And right next to it, there's a little bell. Ding, ring my bell. And YouTube will send you like a notification every time I have a new video up. So for now, if you like this idea, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and I will see you very soon. Merry Christmas! Love you! Toodles!